I was walking out to my truck the other day and noticed a hawk sitting where I normally feed the birds. And he let me get a lot closer than I'm used to. I was able to get fairly close, and then he decided to fly. At work, I usually eat my lunch and put out a little bit of seed, and some of the local birds come by. Here we have cardinal, the usual sparrows. They're squabbling over position, and at first I couldn't tell who was doing the screeching, but it seems like the cardinal is pushing some of the others away because there's sunflower seeds there. But we also get red-winged blackbirds, mourning doves, of course the sparrows, house finch, male and female, regular visitors, the cardinal and the male and the female. But it's just kind of nice to be able to sit while I'm having lunch and just kind of watch them do their thing, bringing nature a little bit closer. Sometimes it's like they're waiting on me all around my truck. They even let me walk up and put the feed out without getting too nervous. And as soon as I get in the truck and close the door, they fly right down. Well, enjoy the rest of the video.